3 and 4.
Alright, so hi guys, Yasmin here. So today, as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm gonna share with you my uni dorm room tour. Basically, currently I'm in my second year of degree. I'm doing a psychology and cognitive neuroscience in UNMC, and I'm currently in my second semester. So I'm gonna finish my second year this coming May, and I'm gonna start again my final year, which is this coming September. So I figured out why not, since I'm finishing my second year, I want to show you guys I'm gonna give you guys a peek or a tour of my uni dorm room. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so currently I'm at the outside of my room, and so this is like my door. So this is what you guys gonna see when you guys go in. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna close my door. I'm currently staying in a single ensuite bathroom. So I'm sharing like a bathroom with my roommate. That is the bathroom door. My roommate is basically my sister. Let's start from the door. So this is my door, a very generic door, and as you guys can see, I've hanged two of my most used bags. I use these bags whenever I'm going out or just for lunch. This is a little bag, and this is like my college bag for now. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see like what's in my college bag video. I'll be happy to do it. And so this is my door, and as I turned my right, so basically yeah, my right, you'll see this hanging clothing rack. The clothing rack, I got it from IKEA. So basically here for now, I have like, I'm color coordinating my clothes here. So I have like all my nude clothes, and then somehow like some yellow, and then this is like my outerwear, my jacket. I don't wear this jacket as often as I used to because it's really hot right now in Malaysia. And back there I have my tapestry. I can't really remember where I got this, but I'll link in the description bar down below, and I hang it with two of the, what do you call that, paper clips. And then as you go down, these are my shoes. I currently have this couple of shoes. I wear sneaker most of the time because heels just are uncomfortable for me for most of the time. And I have a couple of shoe boxes. This is just a box of like products that I have to be reviewing in my next videos. And then this, I have your basic AF IKEA rug. This is a sheep rug that I got from IKEA. And then moving on, I have my closet. If you guys can see, on top of my closet I have what you call these are like things. Some of the boxes are like my moving boxes, so I use that to like put my stuff whenever I'm moving. And then like these are like my club and society boxes, just from like previous years. So yeah, so I just stored it in there. I didn't want to store under my bed because my bed get really dusty easily, and I don't really use this anymore. As I move from my bathroom door, this is my little bookshelf, aka like rak buku lah kan. So I don't have that much books, but on this layer here I have this plate. This is like a plate I got from Pasar Seni. I just went there recently and it's really cute. And then I have this photo clip from Disneyland Shanghai. Haven't really found a photo to put in there. And then here I just put some random stuff because sometimes I easily forget, like I'm absent-minded because I easily forget where I put all my stuff. So here I'll have like important things like my keys, and then like what else, yeah, my shillings and stuff. Yeah, so these are my books. This is actually notes from previous semesters, which reminds me that I have to recycle them, and these are just a couple of like reference book and whatnot. And then on the upper part of this shelf I have a flower, like a flower vase, and then I have my mini bear, what do you call that, tabung, okay, a piggy bank. Oh wait, no, what do you call a piggy bank, like what, a bear bank, I'm not sure. And then there I have my, what do you call that, like a painting. I still remember I did that like what, last year, like for my first year, I was really stressed out about this essay, and this is the result of stressing out from my essay. And then here I just have a couple of sweets, and then my tumbler, and then on there is like a concert banner I got from Exordium, if I'm not mistaken. And then as you go down under my bookshelf, I have my student ID hang here because I have my student ID and my key, so it's easy. And then I also have a laundry basket here from IKEA. My waste basket is from, I think it's from SSF. And then as you go here, as you go this side, this is like my mini makeup collection, my skincare, my makeup, everything is in here. If you guys want me to do a makeup collection, comment down below. But I just have a really small one, nothing big. And as you can see, I really like flowers, so these are some flowers, and you can see it's really dusty. But yeah, there are flowers and skincare and stuff. And down here, I just keep all of my random junks. So in the first drawer, I have like all my stationeries, my arts and craft, my scissors. And then for the second drawer, I have, yeah, this is like my skincare that I haven't used, or like makeups and like my makeup pouches and stuff. So I keep everything in here, my travel size products and stuff. And then for the last one, it's just really random crap, I think. Oh yeah, so I have my tung sampah, like I have my waste plastic bags, and then I have like what, some comment strips, some lint remover, some sponge. So down here is really just random crap. Moving on, beside this mini shelves, I have my study desk, aka where I do my makeup, where I study, where I do everything basically. And it is actually the previous arrangement, the table was actually here, but I wanted some sunlight, so I moved this table in front of this window so I get a lot of sun. But right now it's actually it's not really sunny or anything, it's actually quite cloudy. So I had to switch on my lights for like extra lighting for now. Okay, alright, so I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of my desk. I think I saw the similar chair in IKEA, and then basically my desk is really generic. I have this really, I bought like what do you call this, like a white linen sheet, and just put it up here because down there is really dirty, so I want something, I'm sorry, the surface of the table is really dirty, so I wanted to do something to cover it. So I have this mat, it's for like eating purposes, so I don't spill my food on this white linen cloth. And here I have my notebook, my calculator, I got my notebook from IKEA. It's actually a long time ago, like 2 years ago when it had a sale, and haven't used it yet. My mirror, and then this is my laptop, currently listening to Instagram, but I slow down the volume because first I don't want to get copyrighted, and second I hope you guys so that you guys can actually hear me. So yeah, this is my laptop here. And then moving on, more flowers. I really like flowers. I got this like paper bag to put in my fake flowers. I actually stole this bag from my house. And then here I got this Namju Hyuk, what do you call this, like what, a fan? Yeah, you can say that it's a fan or like a photo thingy when I went to his meet and greet. And then here I just have like notes. These actually are personal notes. I just keep these notes for like, in the beginning of the years, I usually write myself notes, like things that I want to achieve and stuff. So they are in here. Alright, so down here, beside my chair, I also have like this, what do you call this? Like a greet drawer thingy that I got from IKEA. I store all of my bags in here, my headphones, my backpacks and stuff, all my big bags here. And then moving on, this is aka my lights. These are my night lights. I have to sleep with a night light because I'm a scaredy cat, so I always open this at night whenever I need to sleep. It does the job. It's not too bright or too dim, so it's just perfect. And then this is like what, my study board. Do you call that a study board? I'm not sure. So I have like my schedule, my hutang, and then I have like some free vouchers and stuff. And then beside my study board, I have my sleeping area, aka my bed area. So this is how it looks like from far away. Alright, I just recently added this tapestry because I feel like it is too like it's too empty without the tapestry. I decided to go for something new, something brown. So this is like a cactus print. So this is my bed. I'm going for like a brownish yellowish theme, I guess. Up here I have like my, call it a mood board. I won't call it a vision board, but basically here I just hang some random things. Up here I DIY'd this myself. You guys can go check out my previous video where I decorated this whole room. I DIY'd this, and then basically it's a battery operated. You guys can't see it because it's like really bright right now. I have to show you at night, but basically it lights up. It's like a neon DIY neon light sign with my Instagram username. And then here I have like a couple of random things that I have, like this is my hairband from my Disneyland in Shanghai, from my Disneyland Shanghai trip. And then a couple more stuff that I just hang. We have Kai there, Namju Hyuk. And then this is like a ticket from my Woojin trip. And then I have some shades, my Sunny, 3 of my Sunnies here. You can get this as well as at an Instagram shop called That Chic Damsel. Everything will be linked in the description bar down below, so make sure you check it. And I have some Fenty Beauty packaging. FYI, I'm a hoarder, so I don't normally throw away packaging, and the packagings are really nice, so I decided to put it here. And then moving on, we have, voila! We have the mirror. So this is what I have here. Again, I like flowers, so I have a lot of fake flowers in my room. I have like flowers, and I put it like in this Chanel paper bag. And then here I have my nail polish collection. All of my nail polishes are either from Ubiso or Miniso. The reason why I buy them there is because, one, they are easy to peel off, so I don't have to worry about like having to like remove my nail polish with nail polish removal or anything like that. And then this plate, the plate that I used to put my nail polish, is from Pasta Seni as well. I got it I think from around like 12 ringgit. And then here, this is where I put all my earrings or my necklaces. This earring holder is from, or my like jewelry holder is from IKEA. And then I have a lot of various earrings. I wear earrings a lot these days, so everything, if you guys want to know where I get my earrings, I'll link everything down below. And then here I have my jewelry or my ring holder. For now I only have 2 rings because I don't really wear rings a lot. I mean, I only wear 1 ring most of the time, and most of my rings are inside like some paper bags. And then here like it's like a seashell container thingy. I keep all of my pins. My vitamins, the reason why I keep my vitamins near my bed is because it's easy for me to like remember for me to eat it. If I don't see it, I won't eat my vitamins. And then I have my body mist from Victoria's Secret. This is really strong. I already bought this like 1 year ago, and I still have a lot to finish because this is really strong. So I only spritz just really minimal spritz. I use minimal spritz. And then down here is basically like my electronic stuff, you can say. So here I have all of my power banks, my hard disk, all my chargers and whatnot. And then here I have my Hello Kitty hair dryer. And then if you can see here, I have like my extension cable. This is a line extension cable. It's so adorable. I got it from Home Pro, I think. Yeah, I got it from Home Pro. And here in this drawer, I have again my mats, also random crap, some paper bags, my mats, more hard disk, and yeah, basically that is it. And then my camera cover. And then moving on, beside my nightstand, I have what we call here like a paper bag. Inside there I also store more paper bags. So it's basically paper bags in a paper bag. And then here I have also 1 fake plant, 1 fake leaf which is already badly ruined. I don't know why, because I think during the shipping, it just, when I got this, it's already like this because of the shipping, I think. On top of my mirror, I also got another fake plant, aka fake leaf. So basically under my bed, I store all of like my other craps. So there I have, in this area here, I have all of my like my plates and stuff. I store it under my bed. It can get dusty, but every time whenever I want to use it again, I'll just wash my plates. And then in here I have more like food storage. And then in my other IKEA bag is basically my laundry bag. I have all of my hangers, my clips and stuff in there, so I also use that as a laundry bag. So yeah, basically that is it. Alright, so I guess that is all from me. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also comment down below what other videos you guys want me to do. Anything college related also can. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And thank you so much for watching. Annyeong! Bye bye!